Welcome to Courtroom Explained, where we take a calm, process-focused look at how criminal cases are resolved under the law. This content is for educational purposes only and not legal advice. This case involves Ja Rule and a federal tax prosecution that illustrates how willful noncompliance with tax obligations can lead to criminal penalties. According to court records, Ja Rule earned substantial income during the early 2000s from music, touring, and endorsements. Prosecutors allege that during several of those years, he failed to file federal income tax returns and did not pay taxes owed on millions of dollars in income. One key fact was the nature of the charge. Rather than alleging complex financial concealment, the government focused on willful failure to file tax returns, a criminal offense that centers on knowledge of the obligation and a deliberate decision not to comply. A second important issue involved evidence of intent. The court reviewed financial records, income statements, and communications showing awareness of tax responsibilities, as well as a pattern of non-filing over multiple years. A third factor was the distinction between criminal punishment and civil liability. In addition to potential incarceration, the case involved restitution and repayment obligations, reflecting the dual enforcement mechanisms used in tax law. In 2011, Ja Rule pleaded guilty to tax evasion-related charges and was sentenced to a term of federal imprisonment, followed by supervised release, along with orders to pay back taxes and penalties. The sentence brought the criminal case to a definitive procedural conclusion. One clear legal lesson from this case is that tax obligations apply uniformly, regardless of income source or public profile. Courts treat willful failure to file as a serious offense, even when the underlying income is lawfully earned. How should courts balance punishment and repayment in tax-related cases? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you value calm, neutral explanations of criminal law outcomes, consider subscribing to Courtroom Explained.